Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a review of the new Full Spectrum by CoverGirl Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation. Online, they have 20 shades on Ulta. I could not find out a whole lot about this, so it didn't say if it was full coverage, light coverage, sheer, nothing. It literally just said that it was a matte foundation. And it would be your truest tone, which as soon as I start applying this, you'll see that unless you're orange, this shade is not going to suit you. This is medium golden. So yeah, but I'm gonna quit rambling. We're gonna get into it. I hope you guys subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm doing another tutorial, but I figured we could go ahead, sit down, and try out this Full Spectrum by CoverGirl Matte Ambition Foundation. So from what I can tell, a lot of people were saying that this was going to take over the Queen line for CoverGirl, but I don't think that's the case because online they still have lighter shades. I'm not saying that they're super fair, but they have lighter shades. But this is all about undertone. It says, let me see, designed to bring out your truest tones, Matte Ambition All Day Foundation from Full Spectrum is transfer resistant, provides all day comfort with oil absorbing powders for a natural matte finish. So it doesn't say if it's full coverage, medium coverage, blah, blah, blah. So we'll see. And I can already tell you this is not a good undertone. I don't think it's a good undertone for anyone. You'll see when I start applying. But yeah, we are going to go ahead and start getting this on our face. Just taking it from my hand and putting it on. And as you can see, like no one is that orange. No one. But it smells just like their, oh my gosh, their dewy version. Like it smells exactly the same. But yeah, we're definitely gonna have to run this down the neck because this is orange. Hopefully we can get it to work out with concealer and powder. But I don't know. I mean, I don't understand if this is supposed to be based around undertone. I'm not sure who they were making this for. Because yeah. I would say right off the bat, just the color itself is already getting points deducted from me. Because apparently they were making this for an Oompa Loompa and not an actual person. Because I am telling you, I don't think I've ever seen a foundation be so orange. So this is one layer and it's definitely light coverage. So we're gonna go back in for a second layer. I would really like to get my redness to be covered because I have on a pretty bold makeup look. So I don't want light coverage. It's just not gonna work too well. But we're gonna try. I don't think this is going to build up to full coverage. Like I can still see everything. I'm pretty disappointed right now. The coverage, man, it's not good. Like not good at all. Like it's super light coverage. All right, let's go ahead and throw some concealer on. I'm going to use Urban Decay All Nighter to really amp up this coverage. I'll blend it out with a sponge. Oh, we might be on the struggle bus today, but I am trying. So concealer went over it nicely. It's definitely sat down, but I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay guys, this is, sorry. this is our finished look, and like you can see, I even put it down on my neck, and for some reason my face still doesn't match my neck. But let me tell you this, there's something in this foundation that my skin does not like. I'm kind of really itchy. I don't know. I used all my normal products. I know it's not any of those. It has to be the foundation. So I'm not going to do a wear test. I don't want to break out. My face just feels so itchy and tight. I will say, for me, this is one of those foundations that really sets, and I think if you do have super oily skin, you may like this. But with the undertone being so blatantly orange, and how when you try to build it up, it removes itself, and just the coverage being so low, for me, just with that alone, besides the itchiness, I would not recommend this. So if you do have oily skin, maybe give it a try. But if your face does start itching or feeling abnormal, go ahead and remove it like I'm going to do. But I definitely would not recommend this. It really just threw me off where they're talking about your truest tone and undertones, and they made a shade that was so orange. So I'm sorry this was kind of negative, you guys, but I don't want to be like, yeah, give it a try. It may itch your face off, you know, or maybe their tones are just super off. But I hope you guys like this. If you do, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.